Morning, tubers. It's a nice sunny day out here. It's Thursday, and I came home early from school, and yeah, it's about -4 or something. But we've got some really nice sunshine, and I'm gonna get some wood to heat the house. And yeah, I'm gonna use this one here, and let's see how it will start. Probably need a lot of pre-glowing. Oh, actually, I've got no key out here, so I'm gonna get one. So, first we need some pre-glowing. I've got my key, so we can now start it, but because it's cold, it needs some time. What usually starts pretty easy. So let's see, that could be enough. That was okay, not too bad.